Canva isn't just a design tool. It can be your ticket to real income as a freelancer. Even if you've never worked online before, all you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and this video. Let me show you exactly how. If you're someone who wants to make money from home using just your skills, no face cam, no expensive software, this video is your roadmap. Part 1. How Canva can make you money. Canva is a free drag-and-drop design tool that lets you create social media posts, logos, business cards, presentations, thumbnails, without needing to be a pro designer. Pro tip: small businesses, influencers, coaches, they need content every day, and they're always looking for Canva designers. The best part, you don't need a fancy degree, just good design sense, a little creativity, and this step-by-step system. Part 2. The 5-step system to start freelancing with Canva. Step 1. Practice, practice, practice. Clients don't just pay for designs, they pay for quality. Start with a daily design plan. Day 1. Customize 5 templates. Day 2. Create a motivational post. Day 3. Design a brand kit from scratch. And remember, don't just copy. Learn basic design theory and apply it. Mini challenge pop-up. Pick a random brand's IG post and redesign it in Canva. Tag it as your own practice project. Step 2. Build a portfolio even with 0 clients. No clients yet? No problem. Create your own sample projects. I created 2 for fake businesses, a cafe, gym, fashion brand, and designed for 5 posts for each. Then I turned them into a beautiful 1-page Canva portfolio. Simple and professional. Step 3. Find clients without chasing anyone. Now that you have your portfolio, it's time to get real clients using these 3 proven methods. Freelance platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Instagram posting, cold DMs with free value. Cold DM tip: find small business pages with bad design. Message them something like, "Hey, I love your brand vibe. I'm a Canva designer and created a free post for you. Let me know what you think." I did exactly this and landed a 3,500 client from just 1 DM. Step 4. Talk to clients like a pro. Don't overthink. Just be clear, polite, and professional. Here's a 4-step formula for client communication. Acknowledge: thanks for reaching out. I'd love to work with you. Clarify: could you share what type of designs you need and any samples you like? Share process: once I receive the details, I'll send you a draft within 24 to 48 hours. To free revisions included. Confirm price and timeline. For this project, I charge X and I can deliver in 2 days. Step 5. Deliver high-quality work even as a beginner. Clients don't want copy-paste templates. They want brand-specific content. Here's how to stand out. Use Canva's brand kit. Even the free version helps. Maintain consistency, spacing, font, colors. Export smart: PNG for posts, PDF for prints, MP for 4 reels. Don't just send files. Send a presentation. Here are your designs with a short explanation under each. Let me know what you think. Pro hack: always include mockups. Show how the design looks on a phone, poster, or laptop. That wow factor makes them come back again and again. Let's quickly recap. Practice Canva the right way. Build a pro-looking portfolio. Get clients using 3 smart methods. Communicate like a professional. Deliver work that impresses every time. This isn't just about Canva. It's about turning a simple tool into your first income stream online. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your designer friends, and hit that subscribe button because more powerful videos like this are on the way.